Hello world, I am Retro Indie Josh, jam host and community manager for 8-Bits to Infinity. Welcome to Random Jam. This is our 38th jam. We host a new jam every 2 months, running for 10 days with a different focus and a different theme. This jam, of course, has the focus in the title. It is Random Jam. Your goal is to make a game which features randomness. Of course, randomness happens in all games, so it's not enough to just have a random number generator. You really need to build in randomness so it's obvious your game is using it. A few possibilities for doing this include random level, area, or critical path generation, such as we can see in the random map generation in Rogue Legacy and Rogue Legacy 2. The game also features random character generation, which can provide a lot of replay value. You can also have randomness as a core of the game mechanic, such as creating a card game like Slay the Spire, where the player is presented with a random list of cards to choose from after every battle, and needs to adjust based on that randomness to change their strategy as they go. You could also have random sprites, backgrounds, or palettes to liven up the artwork, or even random pieces that the player gets to use, like in the classic puzzle game Tetris. The real challenge to you, of course, as the developer, is to make sure you manage the randomness. If the randomness runs away from the player and everything feels chaotic and they lose control of the game, it's no longer going to be fun. Of course, it is that little edge of chaos that makes randomness fun in the first place. So that's the basic idea around the focus of the jam. What about the theme? Well, now that the jam is starting, it's time to announce the theme. And the theme for Random Jam is just 2. Not 2. 2 is not the theme. Just 2. Those words. That is what the theme is. You're welcome to interpret this however you like. There are, of course, several interpretations of the word just, and 2 is a number, but it has a lot of different meanings that you could leverage for some interesting implementations. Remember, the theme is completely optional, but it is 1/6 of your community choice score, so you probably at least want to think about having it somewhere in your game. If you're stuck on coming up with ideas to implement the theme, you can of course join us on Discord and discuss with the community any ideas that they might have, any ideas that you might have. And remember, the jam is all about learning new things and having fun doing it. So that's it for this keynote presentation. Good luck on your game jamming. If you have any questions, you can drop by the Discord server, which is linked in the description of this video, or post in the community forum on the jam page on itch.io. You have 10 days to finish your prototype. Go forth, good luck, have fun, and happy jamming.